In the aftermath of the contentious 2018 elections, President Emmerson Mnangagwa established the Political Actors Dialogue, or POLAD. This initiative was born out of a need for legitimacy, as Nelson Chamisa, Mnangagwa's primary adversary, dismissed the election as rigged, a claim that ultimately fell flat in court. POLAD was a strategy by Mnangagwa to bring together the political principals who, collectively, garnered less than 3% of the national vote in the 2018 presidential elections. The president gifted these individuals with top-of-the-range Isuzu D-Max vehicles and substantial allowances. Just 1 month after his second disputed election, Mnangagwa extended an invitation to the losing candidates for another round of POLAD discussions. This move was seen as an attempt to mollify his critics in the wake of the August elections, which were widely criticized as neither free nor fair by both local and international observers. In his state-controlled newspaper column, Mnangagwa praised POLAD for its effectiveness during his previous administration. The president expressed his intention to reinstate the POLAD framework, inviting the leaders of all political parties who participated in the recent harmonized elections to help improve the framework and make it more responsive to the current times and needs of the nation. 9 months into Mnangagwa's administration, however, POLAD's resurrection remains unrealized. Despite this, George Charamba, Mnangagwa's spokesperson, maintains that the president is still committed to the dialogue platform. But it's not all smooth sailing for POLAD. Sources reveal that there are members within the ZANU PF party who view POLAD as a pointless platform, given the ruling party's commanding majority in parliament. These critics argue that the presidential candidates from the last election hold no substantial political capital, rendering the investment of taxpayers' money into the platform a wasteful endeavor. Yet, in the face of these criticisms, Mnangagwa has shown no signs of abandoning POLAD. He believes in the platform's potential for political optics and is forging ahead with the initiative. Despite the absence of Virginia Mabiza, the head of Secretariat, who is frequently out of the country, Mnangagwa is determined to bring POLAD back to life. To summarize, President Mnangagwa's initiative, POLAD, has faced both internal and external challenges. Despite the contentious nature of its inception and the ongoing disputes over its effectiveness, Mnangagwa remains committed to its revival. However, with resistance from within his own party and the absence of key personnel, the future of POLAD remains uncertain. Only time will tell if Mnangagwa's determination will be enough to bring this political dialogue platform back to life.